Let's make some duyak pachus in tritri. I'm going to first start off by heating up some oil and sauteing some scallion and garlic until it becomes fragrant. I'm then going to add in my baby lima beans with some epis, and I'm going to give this a good mix, followed by some salt and some seasonings and some tritri. I'm adding this because I just like the flavor that it gives it. It's a pretty basic rice, so that with the coconut milk, it's vibes. It's so good. I'm making about 3 cups of jasmine rice, so I'm going to add about 3 cups of water and then a half a cup of coconut milk. I'm adding some of the shelly butter, fresh aromatics such as thyme, parsley, and a scotch bonnet pierced with cloves. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add in my washed jasmine rice and just give this a gentle stir, maybe about 2 to 3 times until most of the water has evaporated. And then I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. Feel free to use parchment paper or nothing. I've never done it that way, but I know you can. Once it's tightly covered, I'm going to lower my heat to low and let this cook for 30 minutes. And once it's ready, I'm going to uncover it, remove those aromatics, and fluff it with a fork. I ate it with some oxtail. Et puis that's it. Bye!